Hello friends, today we are discussing about the resistors which are connected in series. So in last class we learned about the concepts of Ohm's law. So here resistors which we are connecting in series. That means if we have a resistors and that are connected back to back, okay, and if we are applying a battery across it, so these are the resistor R1, this is resistor R2, and this is resistor R3. Whenever the resistors are connected in series, then current will remain same through entire circuit. Okay, but voltage across each resistor is different. Okay, so across R1 V1 is a voltage, across R2 V2 is a voltage, and across R3 V3 is the voltage. So here by using Ohm's law, we know that Ohm's law is nothing but V is equal to what? I into R. So here for this resistors are in a series. So here total voltage, we can write it as total voltage is equal to summation of all the three voltage drop across the three resistors. So V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So here if we apply Ohm's law across each resistor, so we know that V is equal to IR. So I will replace this V is equal to what? IR. This is nothing but total resistance, and here across V1 you will get I1 I into the resistor R1, okay, because current will remain same in the series circuit. And here I into across the resistor R2, and here potential drop across the R3 is nothing but I into R3. So here you will get the current common because current will remain same in the series circuit. Okay, so inside the bracket you will get R1 plus R2 plus R3, and here we have R total. Okay, so here this current and this current is get cancelled, and you will get total resistor is nothing but R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so this is the final expressions for the resistor which are connected in series. So in short we can conclude here, whenever the resistors are connected in series, so we are taking the sum of all the resistors. Okay, and whenever the resistors are in series or any components are in a series, they are carrying same current. There is a no current will be changed. The in entire circuit current will remain same, but voltage drop across each component is different. Okay, so I hope you understood this lecture. Thank you.